Chicken everyday roll. Boneless chicken breast 250 gram. Cut and make chicken mince. You can buy ready-made. I am making mince like this. Onion 1 medium, ginger half inch, garlic 5 big cloves. Chopped onion, thinly sliced ginger, grated garlic. Oil 1½ tablespoon. Fry grated garlic first, 1 minute enough. Add chopped onion now. Add pinch of Kasuri Methi. Add thinly sliced ginger. Fry all for 1 minute. Then add chicken mince. Add soya sauce 1 teaspoon. White vinegar 1 teaspoon. Green chilli paste 1 teaspoon. Tomato garlic sauce 1 teaspoon. After frying 6-7 minutes, chicken is ready. Roti to make the roll. Lay out the chicken on the roti. Spread chopped onions, green chilies and squeeze few drops of lime juice. Chicken roti roll is ready. Enjoy hot and juicy.